Yo, what's up everyone? It's me, Noah here, and today we're going to do an unboxing video. And today, here's what toys we got. So we have this garbage blind bag, but I already opened it. And here's what the character was. Slow Sea Lion. That's what its name is. Slow Celine. So yeah, so that's just the minifigure itself. Now it's time for the next character. Alright, his name. And it's Healthy. This guy. Okay.
Everyone loves theirs and they're all lovely, right?
I think they'll release a Balloon Boy the minifigure. I think they're gonna release a Balloon Boy minifigure. I think. I don't know. Let's put them all together. Come on. Okay, so we got Healthy. So here he is. It kind of looks like he kind of looks like a mini fun. It kind of looks like a mini Funtime Freddy. Hey, Bon, go get him! Switch his face. Let's switch his face. So his face is just normal. Now, this is what it looks like. Let's put on this face. Oh, it's a cute little laughing face. That's so cute. So that's for Healthy. So let's go to the next one. And we got another one. And guess what it is? It's Phantom Foxy. It's so cool. I can also put that. Oh! Alright. Look at him. He looks like a toxic waste foxy. I think that's what he looks like. Sorry guys. His hair was flying. Look at his head. Alright, let's put them all together.
He looks like one. Yeah, he looks like one. Mom, let us turn on light in the kitchen.
In the sitting room. Why do you want to turn on the light?
Did you sort your switch out in your dryer?
Yeah, Vinny came down and he said it's not even, it wasn't the wire or anything like that. He said it was purely, he thinks because the socket is directly behind the washing or the dryer. He said the heat, try and keep it out a little bit.
Right.
Look, we have a thing on our meter.
Alright, here's Phantom Foxy. So here's Phantom Foxy with his normal face. Now let's put on his creepy face.
And I couldn't get it back on. No, that's what it was. It was only when it was in the third time.
Guys, look at him. There's his creepy face. Foxy, now you're a hallucination.
I could see the smoke. Outside has an emergency.
Cool. Alright, look, now let's move Phantom Foxy right here. And now it's time for the last one. The one and only, the anniversary. The one and only Golden Freddy. This is their 100th anniversary. And I think I like it. Now let's open it. The last kit.
I love my cat.
They call them fluffy.
Yeah. I can't wait to open my
You can't get what you got, Noah? What are these now? They're deadly.
Thanks, Granddad.
Oh, this is for your... Alright.
So cool, right? Look at the detail. Like he's like sitting. Look. Let me show you a little tour on him.
When did you
There's Fluffy.
his owner, and did you write his name?
There's Fluffy, yeah. And you want me to write Levi, is it?
Yeah, his owner.
And that's it for the toy reveal. And I hope you like this video. Now, like and subscribe for the next video. Alright, bye!
Yeah.